Hi, this is a tutorial how to make a cat, a ball, and a phone. First, I'm going to show you how to do a cat. First, you count off 7 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you fold the 7th one like that. That's what you have to have. Then you fold the rest like that. And that's what you have. Then you count off 2 triangles, like 1, 2. Then you fold this one, the third one. And that's what you have. Then you fold it like that. Then you fold it like that. That's what you have to have. How to make the head? The head is easy, like that. Then you go like that. Then you do this. And that's what you have. And you do this. You do this. There's the head. Okay. Now I'm going to do the ball. Now the ball. You fold this one like that. And then you count off 2. 1, 2. And you do this. And that's what I have. And then you fold this one like that. Then count off 2. 1, 2. 1. And then you count off this. That's what you have. Then you fold this. And you do this. Now you twist this one like that, and do this. That's what I have to have. Then count off 2, 1, 2, and fold. You do this, and then you fold it like that. You have this. And you twist it like that, and then you and then you do this one like that, and then you count off 2, 1, 2, and 1, and you do this. That's what you have to have. And you fold this. You do the same thing with this, but you do it like that, and then like that, and then you do and then you do this. Now you do this, and do this, and fold it like that, and then you snatch it down. You have this. Now you turn this one here, and this one like that. And then you turn this like that. The ball's done. And the phone. When you made the ball, you twist any of the squares like that, and then you have this. And then you twist it like that. And you have a phone. Bye. Peace.